Hello, Adam Kopacz, Excel lover from Poland. Sometimes we need the last day of the month. In Excel, it's really simple task to find this date because we have end of month function, EOMONTH function. This function needs the start date and the number of months we are moving. When we want the last day of current month, we just put 0 in the second argument of this function, and it's our whole formula. So we have the last days of the current months, and end of month function will return the last day of the month, even if the start date is the last day of the month. Okay, and our end of month function can even move to the future when we put some positive numbers. So when we want to move 1 month to the future, to the next month, we just put 1 in this argument, and now we have the last day of the next month. So if we put bigger number, we will move more into the future. Analogically, if we want to move to the past, we just write negative numbers. So previous month is -1, and we still have last day of this month. So here we have February, and here we have January. And when we want to move more into the past, we just have to write bigger numbers, and end of month function can even move into next years or previous years.